Hi folks, my name's Dave Johnson. I'm a Master Certified e-business consultant. So please subscribe to my channel for any notifications of my future videos. So, I can promise that on this video there will be no PayPal, no credit card, no bank details required whatsoever. Everything I offer on this video will be absolutely free of charge to yourselves. At the end of this video, I'm also going to tell you where you can get an awesome free bonus, which consists of quite a lot of free traffic for you guys. Okay, so wait till the end of the video and I'll explain where you can get that. So the course today I'm giving away is the free Facebook traffic strategies, and just a quick preview of what you'll get inside is the reality of free Facebook traffic. We'll show you how to optimize your Facebook page and the importance of giving your personal story and also giving your audience what they want. Content for free Facebook traffic, and the traffic you can get from video on Facebook and the actual power that brings with it. So you can also create your own Facebook group, and we'll show you how to do that, which will bring you loads of free traffic and also the best practices for free Facebook traffic and so much more, guys. Okay, so that you can have for free, and together with that you can also have my bonus, what I'm offering with this package, and that is a 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to any website of your choice, whether it be a affiliate link or a blog or a website. You can enter your URL and it will get accepted, and that will take around about 6 months, maybe a year. It'll be drip fed, okay, so you don't get all your traffic at once. An absolute must if you're just starting out on traffic. So if you're just starting out on internet marketing or affiliate marketing, some free traffic for you there, guys. And then also we'll teach you the best way in 2020/2021 for your free Facebook marketing traffic strategies. Okay, so to claim them both, what you need to do is click that link below this video, okay, and you'll get both those packages, both the free Facebook traffic package and also the 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to any website of your choice. I'm not sure how long I can keep this offer open for, so I suggest you grab it now, and good luck with it, guys. So please subscribe to my channel, give it a like, give it a share, comment if you like, and I'll see you all soon, so stay safe until my next video. Take care.